Hello everyone. Let's come to the review of Thompson Path 9R series, this TV, which we have bought and I've told you I will show you the unboxing and also the installation of this TV. Now you can see it's on the wall. So currently you can see the size and the look. How does it look? You can see this. Now I'm just making it on the TV. See this? Now I'm just oning this TV. So the initial review will be, I think this is the branding, Thomson Friendly Technology. Actually what happened, it takes time to load because most of the time when we start this TV, it's taking some time to load. You can see the loading time, real time loading of this TV. So yeah, it's an Android TV, 43 4K Ultra HD TV, which I bought from Flipkart in Big Billion Sales. Now the sale is over and the TV is also installed. I will show you how does it look. Yeah, this is the interface where you can see we have various apps available: Prime, YouTube, Google Music, and Hotstar. So it's different app available. You can, by coming to the setting, you can see the device preferences, where you can see the about. You can see if there is a system update, it will show. Check for an update and it will show. Name of a device: Path, Ultra HD, X, Android TV, network, legal information, model, Android version 9. You can see it's Android version 9. Bye. So coming to the storage capacity, the storage capacity is of total 8 GB, but it's have inbuilt apps available, and also various used for this operating system. So only 2.5 GB is available currently. Coming to, you can see the remote. The remote is very sleek in design, having shortcuts for Amazon Prime, YouTube, and Sony Live. And also have an app available. We have mute button. Main is the Google Assistant. It's very useful. If your parents is using this, it will be very helpful, user friendly to click on this and say they want work. It will
Sure, thanks for that. Every piece of feedback helps me learn.
Yeah, so it's like that. Coming to now the screen resolution, which is the most important part of any TV you want. I will show you one of the video from YouTube, 4K video. So it will be helpful for you to check. So I'm coming to YouTube now. The YouTube is opening. So guys, actually you can see the entire wire connection. It's only I have connected a cable wire for electricity, and for Wi-Fi I have a MI plus, which extending my Wi-Fi connection. So I have installed this too. Coming to 4K videos, I will talk. Let's mute this. 4K videos. So it will directly come ahead with 4K. See this video. So guys, you can see this video. It's not playing in 4K because I have very slow internet connection. So it's 720p, but you can see the clarity, how it looks, because it's a 4K TV. I think it's doing very justification, but in a black. Sometimes it doesn't show black, very black, but in 21,000 bucks, I think it's very useful TV, and with a great discount of Big Billion Sales. You can see the wide viewing angle. How does it look? Viewing angle. It's very good viewing angle. You can see on black, and also I will say the video is not justifying what it's look like in a real time where I can see, but yeah, it's very good to have a 4K video playing into just 21,000. So I think I will recommend, because in my review, when I was thinking, I bought this TV, a 4K TV, but don't have Netflix also. So it was very disappointing for me to buy this. But when they had a customer support call, they told me there is an alternative where we can install Netflix also. So this makes me feel that yeah, it's a worth for value for money, and you can buy this TV. For any questions and queries, you can comment on below, and I will surely help you if possible. Thank you guys for watching this video.